Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we will be talking about monopolistic competition. Monopolistic competition say it falls under imperfect market structure. The idea of monopolistic competition was developed by E.R. Chamberlain and John Robinson. It lies somewhere between perfect competition and monopoly. किनभने monopolistic competitionले चाहिँ perfect competition र monopolyको सबै characteristics include गर्दैन, but somehow it includes key characteristics of perfect competition and monopoly. Real world markets mostly follow this structure, for example, restaurants, clothing brands, toothpaste company, etc. So, the meaning of monopolistic competition is it is a market structure with many firms sell similar but differentiated products. Each firm has some control over price because products are closely substituted with each other but not identical. So the subtopic is product differentiation and monopolistic competition. Product differentiation चाहिँ monopolistic competition को एउटा core feature हो. Product differentiation can happen in two ways. Number one, product characteristics which include quality, design, color, brand names, trademarks, packaging. Number two, conditions of sale, which include location, reputation, service, convenience, or how the seller trades. Therefore, under monopolistic competition, each firm equals to monopoly over its product plus competition with others. So now talking about features of monopolistic competition, number one मा छ a large number of firms. मोनोपोलीमा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने there will be a single seller, but monopolistic competition मा चाहिँ there will be a large number of sellers selling similar but not identical products. Number two मा छ product differentiation. Monopolistic competition को main feature भनेको चाहिँ product differentiation हो, where the sellers will be selling a similar product but not identical. Number three मा छ some influence over the price. Monopolistic competition is a market structure where many sellers offer products that are similar but not exactly the same. So each seller has some control over the price because their product is slightly different from others. Number four मा छ non-price competition. Monopolistic competition मा चाहिँ sellers will be competing with each other based on advertisement and non-selling cost. Number five मा छ product differentiation. Perfect competition मा चाहिँ के हुन्छ भने a firm does not have to face this problem किनकि perfect competition मा products are homogeneous. But the problem of product variation under monopolistic competition exists because there is differentiation of products of various firms. So now, nature of demand and marginal revenue curves under monopolistic competition. As I have already told you before, monopolistic competition भनेको चाहिँ यस्तो market structure हो जहाँ चाहिँ firm has some control over price due to product differentiation. Suppose monopolistic competition मा product A र product B छ. यदि प्रडक्ट एले आफ्नो प्राइस इन्क्रिज गर्यो भने चाहिँ प्रडक्ट ए को कस्टमर्सहरू चाहिँ प्रडक्ट बीमा शिफ्ट हुन्छ, thereby decreasing the quantity demanded of product A and vice versa. Therefore, the firm faces a downward sloping demand curve under monopolistic competition, which we can clearly see in figure 1.1 and figure 1.2. So now talking about figure 1.1, we can see demand curve faced by the firm represented by DD. DD is downward sloping and we have achieved an equilibrium condition at price OP and quantity demanded OM. क्वान्टिटी चाहिँ OM बाट ON मा इन्क्रिज हुँदा चाहिँ हाम्रो प्राइस चाहिँ OP बाट OL मा डिक्रिज भएको छ. And similarly, quantity चाहिँ OM बाट OG मा डिक्रिज हुँदा चाहिँ हाम्रो प्राइस चाहिँ OP बाट OH मा इन्क्रिज भएको छ. So the key idea here is more output equals to lower price and less output equals to higher price. Therefore, every change in output causes a change in price. So now talking about figure 1.1, we can see AR and MR curves, where AR stands for average revenue and MR stands for marginal revenue. So both AR and MR curves are downward sloping. So the key idea here is MR is less than AR in terms of price. So to sell more units, firm must lower the price. So the final conclusion here is monopolistic competition मा चाहिँ firm cannot fix price independently and they must choose best price output combination for profit maximization. So that's the end of our topic for today. In our next video, we will be talking about price and output determination on the short run and long run of monopolistic competition.